Hi there, in this quick guide, I will show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram to reduce distractions. So go back and open your Play Store or App Store. Now tap on your search bar and search for Instagram application. Now update your Instagram application if you want to turn on quiet mode. After updating your Instagram application, close your Play Store or App Store. Now open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in bottom right corner. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then tap settings. Now tap on your notifications. Tap on quit mode and choose how long you want it to stay active. That's it. Quit mode is on, helping you stay focused. To turn it off, just follow these steps and select turn off quit mode. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Twitter Instagram experience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips. Goodbye.